Hey guys, today we are going to show you how to generate payment voucher for your month-end payroll. You can directly post your month-end payroll from your SQL Payroll into your SQL account. With this feature, you do not have to manually key in the journal entries for your salary payment every month. This video is to show you how to link SQL Payroll with SQL Account. With this linking, you can save time, speed up your accounting processes, and reduce error. In this video, we will show how to do the configuration. First, log in into SQL Account. We will export out the chart of account and do mapping in SQL Payroll later. This step need to do for one time only. Go to File, Import and select SQL Payroll Import Payment Voucher. Then click Save GL Account to File. Save the text file into your computer. Save. Next, log in into SQL Payroll to configure your account setup. This configuration setup only needs to be done once, not every month. Click Payroll. Then click Generate Payment Voucher, Journal Entry. Click Configure Payroll Accounting. Under Step 1, select Load from File. Select the text file that you saved into your computer earlier. Now map out the account codes for each of your payroll transactions. For wages, select the salary account code from your SQL account. For every allowance, select the correct allowance account code that you have created in SQL account. Repeat the same process for overtime, commission, claims, and bonus. Lastly, for EPF, SOSO contributions, map out the expense accounts from your SQL accounting into this. Select the correct bank or cash account for your payment method. In Step 3, select if you want to generate a payment voucher or journal entry. If you select Journal Entry, the journal entry will be grouped by branches. One journal will be generated for each branch. Under Optional, you can tick the checkbox if you want to generate a separate journal for employer's contributions. Once done, press OK. For every month payroll posting to accounting, please refer next video in the description below. That's all of this video. Thank you.